Hello, welcome to my house today. We will show you something about the mask. You know, the mask for kids sometimes need to be more interesting because some kids they don't like just white and plain mask. So how can we do it? We can enjoy our time with our kids also. Let's show you how to do it. Hello, baby.
Hello, Mommy.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Okay, let's play again. It's okay?
Okay.
You see, we have a sublimation pen here. And we also have a paper. Let's draw something on the paper. It's okay?
Okay. Let's begin.
Okay, which color you like first?
Orange.
Yeah, put on it. Put where you like. Can I join you?
Sure.
Let's begin. Okay, you see, when you are at home, when you are boring stay at home, you can enjoy your home time with your kids, with drawing together to make something special. And let's just use the sublimation pen. After we finish this drawing, we can put the paper cut off in the heat transfer on our mask. Baby, do you like this game?
Yes, like.
Good. So you finish this. Let's cut off first. And then put this paper onto our mask to do the heat transfer. After transfer, you can see how it is look on your face. It's okay?
Okay. See you later.
As you see, we already finished the heat transfer on the mask, and now we will show you how to wear the mask. First, here is the case. So we use this fixed strip together to put it on. You can see we also have the black one and the white one together. Also we have another kind of, this is with the filter together. You can put the filter on it. Okay, this mask is the one with the filter. And first we can see we have two rubber bands here. We need to put on it. This rubber band is used for adjust the ear holes. Let's do this first. You need a tool. You can find it in your family. You see, it's easy. As you see, we finished put the rubber band inside, and now we put the filter inside. We have two fields together, but you just need one piece one time. As you see, we finished this and put the field inside. Now we put on our face. You can see, if you think this is too loose or too tough, you can to adjust it. And this is easy to do it. We have many kinds of masks and we have different ways to transfer image on it. You just see we have the enjoying our family time with like drawing together with our kids. And we also can use sublimation paper to do the image transfer. After it, you will get your unique masks. You can find more information about masks through our website. Please contact with us as soon as possible. Take care and be safe. See you next time.